Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Wallace back with another video. On the road to Z rank with Android 18, and also the road to the number 1 Android 18. Here we started with a Super Vegito. And from last video, I told you guys about the Destructo disc. I learned how to do it. You have to start from the ground, jump up, and hold your key blast button pretty much. And she does it every time. You have to do it from the ground though. But yeah, that's how I start off my fights mostly, and it allows me to get an advantage off a lot of my opponents. Yeah, enjoy the gameplay, and I'm gonna be jumping in and out again to give you my thought process and give you guys some tips. Right here, he seen how skilled I was, so he decided to pop after him and strike. And from then on, you know exactly what I did. I keep last spammed him because that's the only way you can counter it besides to grab. So literally the rest of this game is gonna be me keep last spamming him, unfortunately. We got a S2 full power Jiren here. This dude was trash. He beat me though, but you were gonna see how he beat me.
I'm not planning on losing this fight. This should do it.
See the health difference. You see how fast he tried to hop sparking. It's how trash these dudes be. So yeah, he knew his ultimate to pretty much kill me and then finish me off. And then I tried to rematch it. He didn't want to run the set, but it's cool. We get a Jiren next. Bro, I won this run the set, but I remember he was alright. He wasn't that good. I respect him though because he ran the set.
I'm not planning on losing this fight.
I won that game kind of easy just because I kept a lot of pressure on him. And he did a revenge counter for some reason. I don't know why he did that, but that was better for me because I wanted to stay up on him anyway. But yeah, on to the next game.
I'm not planning on losing this fight.
You guys need to practice your super counters for the Vanish Wars. Go into training mode, put Piccolo on the Vanish mode setting, and do super counters only. I'm telling you, it will save your life. It will save me in critical situations. You need to practice that. This game came down to the wire. Great vanish by him. That literally saved his life and allowed him to win that game. As you can see by this game, I understood it now. Like, I downloaded him. He had no chance. But GG's to bro. He ran the set. And see, here we got a B1 MUI Goku.
Something is different? Ah, yes, it is.
So you gonna fight me or what?
Alright, so in my opinion, to deal with an MUI player is to stay very aggressive. MUI starts with one key bar, so you need to use that as your advantage. You need to pressure him, do not allow him to charge up his key, and you need to just stay in his face as much as you can. And I had to use my Android barrier there. There was no way I was recovering in time. That was really just a 200 IQ play. I really just hoped that worked because I had a feeling it wasn't going to recover. love to use wild sense. It does not work on me. Guys, if you guys want to know how to vanish wild sense, you hit once and vanish backwards. That's all you need to do. Gets them every time. Not gonna lie, I was so mad he did not want to run the set. That nigga's bitch.
I wasn't built for showing.
As you can see, I'm not afraid to post any of my losses. I don't know why he didn't want to run the set. He had the better character. But this dude right here, Blue Flame, this is Gogeta, bro, is toxic. Bro, if I'm not mistaken, he won both games, if I'm not mistaken, and then wanted to message me saying I'm toxic, saying I was spamming him, apparently. I don't know. I'm gonna let y'all be the judge. Let me know what I was spamming. He said I was spamming Key Blast, but I mean, I use Key Blast to open you up. But other than that, I don't see how I'm spamming, buddy. I'm whooping your ass right here. Now that I'm watching it over, I'm realizing this is the second game. But he did this both games. When I have the health advantage, I'm whooping his ass. He'll go into base form just to get a wild sense, and then from the rest of the game, he'll just spam that, and that's how he end up winning. On to the next match. We got what was he? S5, S4, there's 3 beers. This dude suck. You'll see in a second why we suck, and he's gonna pop up later in the video. why I use Android 18? That is exactly why. For the fucking cheese like that, and he proceeds to quit. Shit's crazy. Couldn't get the full clip, but you can see at the very end there, and then you could hear it.
I want to get
Yeah,
stronger
bro is trash. But here we got a Super Saiyan God Goku, Black Swordsman. Shout out to bro. He was pretty decent, and he ran the set, so he had some honor. I mentioned in my other videos, but revenge counter is not a combo breaker. If anything, you use it to keep space with your enemy, with your opponent, whether it's after a Vanish War or after a send back like that, like Black Swordsman did. That's the only time you want to do it, if you want to keep pressure and don't allow your opponent to set up anything, set up a super after a knockdown or anything like that. This is great on Black Swordsman part. For some reason, I couldn't sidestep his heavy move. I literally just got stuck in front of him, but that was great on his part, on his ability to finish me on that game. bro.
Come on.
See, that's what Sparking Zill is supposed to look like, bro.
That was just the workout
People
I
throwing
needed.
hands, going
Thanks.
sparking when they need to, using supers when they need to. Like, I don't know, man. The community has really made this game trash. It's crazy. But as you can see, I was going back from A2 to A1 for a little bit. But then I got on a
If I
roll.
have to do this, I'm going to enjoy myself.
But yeah, you see, we run into that Bears again. What's his name? Donut 6. Yeah, this nigga's
So you gonna
trash.
fight me?
This time he decides to stay for 2 games. I think because both games were close and he thought he was gonna win. And as you can see, he was starting off with this tactic, and I was like, nah, bro, I'm not gonna let you charge key. You're gonna need to box me the whole match.
Was that all?
Here I am. Here I go.
You're dead meat.
What a drag. Here we go. This is more than enough. You'll see the difference between us.
Nice
Like I
try.
mentioned earlier, revenge counter to keep space between you and your opponent. I knew if I let him knock me back, he was gonna go instant sparking again. Like, that nigga's trash. And you see, like, I'm keeping pressure on him, so he doesn't even get a chance to do none of his skill points.
Nice try. I'm not done yet. Come on. That was just the workout I needed. Thanks. Never fought someone like this before. He's a real monster.
You think I'm a monster? No. I'm the
devil himself.
And just like Brody said, this dude was the devil himself. I ain't never seen somebody so trash, so weak, so much pride and disgust in their fucking body. Like, just look how this match went. You can see once this dude starts losing, just look what he proceeds to do, bro. I just had to put in the video just because people like this, like, I get why people want to use fusions for people like this, but bro, you still don't need a fusion. Just look. Crazy, bro. Bro wasn't even losing, he was doing that weak ass shit. Like, I don't get people like that, bro. Like, I know he didn't feel good winning like that, bro. I know he wasn't in his fucking chair, whatever the fuck he was sitting in. It was like, yeah, man, I'm so good, bro. Like, niggas be so weird, bro. You can't tell me that is not weird activity.
Not as pathetic as I thought.
Let's go!
I wasn't built for showing mercy.
And as you can see from that first match, it was just a big skill gap between me and bro, despite the character difference. I think I remember facing him a couple of days ago, and the results were the same. I decided to just put this in here just because he was using the character advantage. And that's the whole point of these videos, is you don't need a fusion or a top tier character to reach S rank. And I'm gonna prove it, you don't need it to reach Z rank either. Next, we got a A5 Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta. It was a nice little set. I won't really say set because brother didn't want to do the third game. He won the second game and dipped out like a weirdo. But I put this in there because he was a very good fight, though, despite him not wanting to run the third one. vanish those. One hit and vanish. That shit is so predictable. Stop relying on wild sense. Like I mentioned in my other videos, guys, use your vertical movement. As you see right there, I was able to avoid his rush attack just by jumping. That destructo just sold me, bro. That shit was crazy.
I admire your brave.
It's all good, though.
Come on!
You know the usual. You beat Super Vegetos until they pop that after strike, which you just did. And then we keep last the rest of the game. Yay, so fun. And believe it or not, this is where he fucked up. This dude does sparking, and he does out there strike, which wastes all his key stock, and he doesn't land his ultimate. So he literally sells his key stock, as you see here, and then it's my turn. And here we got an S1 base form Frieza. I don't know if bruh, is this is his main or he accidentally came in with Frieza, but it wasn't really no match. He tried to transform and stuff to get health towards the end, but it was too late already. Like, he started off with a nice little start there, but that's all he really got, to be honest with you.
My second form makes my previous look tame.
I've got you now. I've got you now.
Prepare yourself and behold!
What do you think was it worth the wait?
Brace yourself! Now get ready!
I'll show you the horrors of hell.
This is over.
Scared, are you?
Yeah, I didn't know what bro was doing, but here we got the last fusion of the day. Second to last match. Bro was kind of trash, I'm not gonna lie. I hit a nice play in this one later on towards the end.
My ultimate attack!
Was that all?
I'll send you to the next world with this Ultra Big Bang! Kamehameha!
No sir. Just like all these other weak ass niggas love doing that big bang and love using wild sense. It does not work. Get good at the game, use combos. Bro went sparking 3 times and still lost to Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta. That gotta be sad. Anyways, here we get to the last couple matches here. Shout out to Goopy Boo. I faced him earlier in the day. He was playing Goku mid earlier, and then he switched to Future Gohan for these last 2 matches. Really shout out to bro. He was very honorable. He picked some decent characters, and he ran the set too. So bro has a lot of honor.
Come on. You really thought you were gonna win? time waster.
Today's the day. I avenge everyone you slaughtered.
This is over. You gotta be kidding.
The advice I always get to, bro, is sit the fuck still. I keep hitting you with the heavy key blast, and it hits you because you're moving. You need to stand still to block the heavy key blast if anybody doesn't know that still. But yeah, that's probably the only advice I give to bro, and to be a little bit more patient. But yeah, bro's definitely gonna hit S rank, and he's probably gonna hit Z rank too. I look forward to seeing him in the leaderboards because he actually has skill from what I can see.
Keep going.
You're mine.
I ain't gonna lie, I kind of won the game at this point. I was kind of playing with bro. I was trying to come with the explosive wave, really. But yeah, that's how I got an S5 with Android 18, and I also got top 10 with her as a character. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.